Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to allow Facebook to ask for microphone permission on your PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Facebook's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, take a look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll notice a small icon next to the web address. This is usually a padlock or similar symbol. Click on it to open the View Site Information menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust permissions for Facebook. Once you're in the site settings, scroll down until you find the microphone option under Permissions. Next to it, there will be a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Ask. This ensures that Facebook will prompt you for microphone access whenever it's needed. And that's it. You've successfully configured your browser to allow Facebook to request microphone permissions. Now, you can enjoy seamless voice calls and other microphone-enabled features on Facebook without any hassle. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Have a great day.